Hi, it's Chris, and today we're talking about the appraisal process and how it fits into the home buying process. So basically, an appraisal is supposed to be an unbiased professional opinion of value used in both purchase and sale transactions and your standard refinance transactions. In our purchase transaction that we're really talking about, the appraisal is used by the lender to determine whether the sales price is appropriate given the home's position and condition in the marketplace. See, lenders want to make sure that you're not over-borrowing for a property, seeing as the home is going to serve as collateral for the loan. And because the appraisal ultimately protects the lender's interest, the lender has a pool of certified appraisers that they will be selecting from and asking you to pay for. The appraisal is influenced by recent sales of similar properties and current market trends, the home's amenities, square footage, number of beds, number of baths, and updates performed are some additional criteria that's going to be taken into consideration. And while there, the appraiser will measure rooms and visually inspect the interior and exterior of the home to note any safety, security, or structural defects or issues. It's not a home inspection, it's still just an appraisal, but they will take note. Now, the appraiser will use the Uniform Residential Appraisal Report and will submit the report to the lender, who will in turn send it to you. If the appraisal comes in at value or above the contract price, well, then the transaction is going to move forward as planned. Now, if the appraisal comes in below the sales price, we're going to have to work with the seller to get to some type of resolution, meaning they may reduce the sales price to match the value identified, or offer some kind of reduction to split the difference in half. But have no fear, here in Virginia, the purchaser gets to choose whether they stay in contract or not, regardless of what the seller is going to do. So the seller cannot kick the purchaser out of contract in the case of a low appraisal, but it can happen if we don't get to some type of agreement. In any event, the bottom line is that the bank's not going to lend to you or any prospective buyer anything more than what the home is actually worth, because that's the collateral for the loan. If you've got any questions about the appraisal process or where you are in that or what happens at the bank, all you gotta do is just give me a call, 571-228-4159. Thanks, and have a great day.